Welcome to Best Choice. The best Aquaphor Hand Cream is probably one of the most talked about skincare products for dry hands. If you're tired of dealing with cracked, rough skin, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Aquaphor Hand Cream, exploring its ingredients, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover if this cream can truly transform your hands and provide the relief you've been searching for. Number 5. Aquaphor Healing Ointment 7 ounces. Are you tired of dealing with multiple skincare products? This is one essential solution for many skincare needs. You can use it on dry, cracked skin, as a lip moisturizer, and more. This ointment is designed specifically for dry, compromised skin. It's clinically proven to restore smooth, healthy skin. It is perfect for those struggling with dryness. Need a replacement for your foot or hand cream? This is the answer. Use it to help heal dry, cracked hands, cuticles, and feet. It's a convenient and effective solution. Unlike lotions or creams, this ointment is water-free. It soothes skin while creating a protective barrier. This allows for oxygen flow, creating an ideal healing environment. You will receive one 7-ounce tube of Aquaphor Healing Ointment Advanced Therapy Skin Protectant. Get yours today and experience the difference. It is a must-have for your skincare routine. What we like. This ointment is a versatile solution for various skin needs. It creates a protective barrier, allowing oxygen flow for optimal healing. If you have dry, cracked skin or need a lip moisturizer, you should consider this product. What people say. Aquaphor Hand Cream is a great product for dry hands. It works very well to moisturize and heal dry skin. This hand cream is very effective at moisturizing and protecting the skin. Number 4. Gloves in a Bottle Hand Lotion for Nurses. This hand cream is specially formulated for healthcare workers. It creates an invisible protective layer that locks in moisture. It also shields against frequent hand washing and harsh chemicals. This travel-size moisturizer is compact and TSA approved. It fits easily into your bag, making it perfect for travelers. You can get instant hydration anytime, anywhere. Unlike traditional lotions, it absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. Designed for sensitive skin, it's fragrance-free. You can enjoy all-day hydration without interference in your daily tasks. Infused with skin-repairing ingredients, it provides deep hydration. It helps to heal eczema flare-ups and restore extremely dry, cracked hands. It strengthens and repairs the skin's barrier. Designed to withstand frequent washing, it stays effective even after exposure to water. The unique silicone-infused formula acts like an invisible glove. It seals in moisture while protecting against environmental stressors. What we like. This hand cream provides a silicone barrier for long-lasting protection. It is also travel-sized and TSA approved, perfect for on-the-go use. If you are a healthcare worker or frequent traveler, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Aquaphor Hand Cream works great for dry hands. It provides effective relief for dry, cracked skin. The cream is very moisturizing and helps to heal the skin. Number 3. Miracle Hand Repair Cream, 3-pack. This hand cream is formulated with 60% ultra aloe gel. It deeply penetrates to repair severely dry and cracked hands. This product transforms extremely dry skin into soft, healthy hands. The hand cream has a non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly. It leaves no residue on your skin or any surfaces. It is lightly scented, providing a refreshing experience. This product works effectively on cracked skin beyond just your hands. It is ideal for dry elbows, knees, and other rough patches. It's powerful enough for extreme dryness, yet gentle enough for daily use. For best results, apply after washing your hands, after bathing, or as an overnight treatment. It creates a protective barrier and works while you sleep to heal cracked hands. It is perfect for both men and women. Each bottle is perfect for purses, cars, and travel bags. The size is TSA friendly, so you can take it with you on the go. Enjoy the benefits of this hand cream anywhere, and it is also available in larger sizes for home use. What we like. This cream boasts a high concentration of ultra aloe gel for maximum healing. Its fast-absorbing formula leaves no residue, making it ideal for daily use. If you have extremely dry, cracked hands and need a non-greasy solution, you should choose this. What people say. Aquaphor Hand Cream is a great product for dry hands. It works very well to moisturize and heal dry skin. This hand cream is very effective. Number 2. Aquaphor Healing Ointment, 6 by 1.75 ounce tubes. Are you tired of dry, cracked skin? This ointment is the solution you need. It's a versatile product that can be used for various skincare needs. This isn't just a lotion or cream, it's an ointment that creates a protective barrier. This allows oxygen to flow, creating the perfect environment for healing. Formulated without preservatives or fragrances, it's perfect for sensitive skin. Clinically proven, it helps restore smooth, healthy skin. Frequent hand washing and weather can cause dryness. Use it overnight as a hand cream to restore moisture and enhance healing. This pack includes 6 1.75 ounce tubes, perfect for stocking up or taking on the go. Keep one in your bag, your car, or at home. What we like. This product is a versatile solution for multiple skin needs. It creates a protective barrier and is fragrance-free, ideal for sensitive skin. If you are looking for a gentle, effective treatment for dry, cracked skin, this is a great option. What people say. I apply a small amount to my dry, bleeding and cracked cuticles at night, and they're smooth in the morning. It's also a great remedy for dry, cracked lips. Aquaphor is different. It still feels like an ointment, but it actually makes my skin look and feel healthier. My hands are very problematic for me, particularly during the winter. I use Aquaphor like hand lotion at night, but I only use a small amount. After about 1 week of nightly use, I was amazed at how great my hands looked. The stuff seems to be the only thing that works on my dry skin and lips during the winter. It's so much different than Vaseline, which used to dry out my lips. Aquaphor actually chops in the moisture, and I love it. Number 1. Attitude Pear and Amber Hand Cream. This hand cream is EWG verified, meaning it meets strict health and safety standards. It's made with clean ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. The formula is made with 98% natural origin ingredients. It's free from SLS, SLES, and other harsh chemicals, providing a worry-free experience for your hands. Infused with watercress and Indian cress extracts, it absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy or sticky residue. It leaves your hands feeling soft and smooth. Enjoy the refreshing scent of pear and amber. The fragrance features juicy pear with notes of nectarine and ginger, providing a naturally energizing experience. This hand cream is dermatologically tested and 100% vegan. It comes in a recyclable HDPE plastic bottle, making it kind to both your skin and the environment. What we like. This hand cream is EWG verified and made with clean ingredients. It has a refreshing pear and amber fragrance. If you like a hand cream with a pleasant scent and are conscious about the ingredients, you should consider this. What people say. Aquaphor Hand Cream works great for dry hands. It provides effective relief for dry, cracked skin. The cream absorbs quickly and is non-greasy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.